Today, I'm sharing my honest review of Ahrefs, one of the most talked about SEO platforms out there. Once you log in, you're met with a dashboard that's clean, but packed with information. From here, you can start a site audit, launch keyword research, or dig into backlink analysis. The interface is fast and responsive, and most tasks are just a few clicks away. Let's begin with the Site Explorer. It's one of the core features of Ahrefs and allows you to enter any domain to see its backlinks, organic keywords, paid keywords, and traffic data. It's extremely detailed. You can filter results by country, by defollow versus nofollow links, and even by referring domains. However, one thing I noticed is that data freshness can vary. Sometimes links shown as active are already removed. So it's powerful, but not always perfectly up to date. Moving into the Keywords Explorer, this tool provides in-depth keyword metrics including search volume, keyword difficulty, clicks, and return rate. What stands out here is how transparent Ahrefs is about where they get their data. You can also see parent topics and keyword ideas that are actually useful. That said, the pricing can be steep for individual users. Even on lower-tier plans, you're limited in how many reports or keywords you can run daily, which might frustrate freelancers or small business owners. Another major feature is Content Explorer, which allows you to search for any topic and view the most popular content based on social shares, backlinks, and traffic. This is especially helpful for planning content strategy or understanding what resonates in your niche. However, loading times can be slow, especially when applying multiple filters or trying to export larger data sets. Many useful links you can find in the description. Ahrefs also offers Rank Tracker and site audit tools. Rank Tracker lets you monitor how your keywords are performing over time across different locations and devices. It's pretty accurate, though results can lag behind real-time SERP changes. The site audit tool, on the other hand, does a solid job crawling your website for technical SEO issues. It gives actionable recommendations, though it might overwhelm beginners with the volume of information provided. One thing that stands out, and not in a good way, is Ahrefs' pricing model. It can get expensive quickly, and they've recently limited API access and report quotas even more, which feels restrictive for the price. Also, there's no free trial, which makes it harder to try the platform before committing. Compared to tools like SEMrush or Oversuggest, Ahrefs offers deeper data, but it comes at a higher cost. The learning curve is real. While Ahrefs is incredibly powerful, it's not necessarily intuitive for beginners. There are helpful tooltips and documentation, but if you're just starting with SEO, you might need extra time to understand what each metric means and how to act on it. Despite some drawbacks, Ahrefs is undeniably one of the most comprehensive SEO platforms available today. Its backlink database is among the best, and keyword research is both deep and actionable. If you're running an agency, managing large sites, or doing serious SEO work, it's a worthwhile investment. For casual users or bloggers, though, the cost may outweigh the benefits unless you use it regularly. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and practical digital marketing insights.